What was that again, Patricia?
Arthur's energy should be beaming out of that picture.
It's mine. I'm just looking. Oh, geez, that's a really deep blue.
Oh, wow, that's a great looking one.
That one's mine. It's been in like the whole time. We need more white eggs.
Sorry, Charlie.
My name's
Charlie Arthur.
Sorry, Charlie.
Charlie Arthur.
Whoa, look at that. I was in
Ooh, that's cool.
I was in blue. That's crazy. Might not want to have the carrots right.
Wait, it's like half and half, right? Maybe like that.
So the brown egg and
yeah, you're right. That's what
You
I
can
was looking
stick
at
it
like
in.
this.
the brown egg and the blue turns out to be what,
Yeah, that
maroon?
works good.
Yeah.
Put it over there.
Oh,
Done? That's cool.
Come on. There we go.
Ready?
Hand me that
That's
brown
you
one.
and
Hand me
Brie.
that brown one right there.
That's a pretty
And
neat
what I'm
color.
gonna do, hand me the brown one.
one?
That
And
one.
I also did.
Stick
Ta-da!
it just
Oh,
halfway
Charlie.
on top of this guy. And do
Oh, nice. Except for
Just
that
let it go.
My sweetheart.
How are you gonna get the rest of it now?